Hello and welcome back, everyone. I am Mark Thompson with Watermark Data, and you are watching Alteryx tutorials. Today's session, we're going to be doing weekly challenge number 144, and it is from a Christmas a few years ago, where you've got a list of 50 people, and you're going to have a Secret Santa, and you want to get pairings. And the idea is that you don't want to have the pairings show up more than once, and that you want to combine the Scrooginess. We've got a column here that talks about how Scroogy they are, and you don't want a Scrooginess, a combined Scrooginess of higher than 13. So the goal is to combine them so that effectively every combination, every pair is going to come out with close to the same Scrooginess. At the end, we're going to be here. We'll have 25 records, and our total Scrooge factor runs between 13, 12, and 11, right? Let's go ahead and jump in and get started. As I said, first thing we start out with is a list of all of the people who are going to be taking part in our Secret Santa. And on the big picture, what we're going to do is we're going to give them an ID. We're going to split them up into two data streams so that you're talking about the most Scroogey and the least Scroogey. And then we're going to combine them back together so that they're not a union, so that they're not one top to bottom, but they're side to side. We're going to find out what their total Scrooginess is, and then we're going to sort it by descending order and get rid of a few columns for our finished product out here. As I said, first thing, record ID. And you can see as I click on the record ID, we now have this. Here, now we split it into two streams, and we sort the top stream by the Scrooginess ascending. So these guys are going to be, in a sense, your bottom Scrooginess. And down here, we're going to be sorting our Scrooginess by descending. So these are going to be your highest Scrooginess. Here, we're going to take the first 25 records. We've got 50 all in all, and we want half here and half here. Next thing to do is combine these records back into one, and we're going to do this by joining the record position. This is a little different join than we've done before, but we're going to join by position so that it's, hey, the first and first, first and first, and right on down the line. And what you get with that is you get the highest with the least, next, 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 next. So these bottom ones are kind of right next to each other. Next, we go ahead and we add the Scrooginess. Scrooginess of the one versus Scrooginess of the other. And if you look over here, we've now got a total Scrooge factor. That's my new column, total Scrooge. We then sort this in descending order. Our highest Scrooge value is 13. And then we could go ahead and get rid of columns that we don't necessarily need. So we no longer need the IDs. I'm clipping off the last name. And we're left with just the first name, the email, the Scrooginess, the right name, email, and Scrooginess, and our total Scrooge factor. Then we get down here, and we can see that our least Scroogey pair, we've got a 5 plus a 6. All right. I am Mark Thompson. This is Watermark Data. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a quick one today. As always, hit like, hit share, and we always love to hear your comments, feedback, and anything we can change or help you with. Till next time, Mark Thompson. Thank you.